In this video, it's super easy to buy ADA coins, also known as Cardano. Very simple, straightforward tutorial. Check it out.
Easy go.
To buy ADA coins, also known as Cardano coins, is fairly simple. What you want to do is you want to set up a Coinbase account. And I strongly recommend using a checking account instead of your debit card. I do have a link below on a video that I did on the Coinbase hidden fees in regards to using my debit card. I wasn't too thrilled about it. But if you can use your checking account, it does take a little bit long. It takes about 3 to 5 business days, or it can take up to 7 to 10 business days. But to me, I don't care because I'm looking to pay less fees as possible. But the only disadvantage to that is if the prices starts to go up, then you will miss out on it. But so far in the month of January, cryptocurrency has been going down. So luckily, patience is key. So on here, what you want to do is you want to select accounts, scroll down to your USD wallet and select deposit. So if you have your checking account and you're depositing into your USD wallet, there are no transfer fees to transfer funds into Coinbase, which is great news. And for this example, I did $100. So we're gonna type in 100, select continue. So there it is. I did it on January 20th and this video is January 25th. So like I said, it does take long. It is still pending. That's how it looks like here. So once you have $100 already in Coinbase, what you want to do is now you want to buy a major cryptocurrencies to be able to use it on Binance, which is a current exchange market that I'm currently using to buy my coins. So we're going to select Ethereum. Make sure your checking account is selected here, which Coinbase automatically does it for you if you only have one account instead of multiple. And you're going to type in $100. Now once you buy it, it's going to immediately convert it over to Ethereum. So once you have your Ethereum fundings on Coinbase, you want to select accounts and your Ethereum wallet on here. It should have your 0.093, and now to send it from Coinbase to Binance, you want to click send. The send button is not highlighted because I'm still waiting my $100 to be accepted into Coinbase. So once you click send, now you want to go to Binance.com. Once you set up your account here, you want to select funds, balances, type in Ethereum, and now you want to deposit. So the reason why you want to select deposit is because you're sending your fundings from Coinbase straight into Binance. So that's why you have to click that deposit button. And now you want to copy the address. It will say succeed on Binance. So once you click Coinbase, so when you click send, just make sure that you paste the address into the to column and make sure that all the numbers and letters are correct. So double check back and forth between Coinbase and Binance in regards to your deposit address. Typically it takes about like 10 minutes through 20 minutes, but so far for me, it's been taking about an average 15 minutes. If it takes longer, it's because there's a lot of people sending money, and don't stress about it because if you verify your deposit letters and numbers correctly, it will go through Binance. So once you have that fundings into your Binance account, so to check, they should email you, or you can click refresh through Binance by making sure we type in ETH again. For this example, I have a little bit of Ethereum balance here. So we're gonna go to exchange, click basic. So this is where you're actually gonna buy ADA coins or Cardano. So from here, we're going to select ETH, type in ADA, and then from there it says right now it's at 64 cents to buy per share. So we're going to select that, and it's very easy. You can select 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Right now my Ethereum fundings is so low, I'm just waiting for my $100 to go through Coinbase. But once you have your amount on Binance, all you have to do is click, I don't know, just click 100% and click buy ADA. And once you click buy ADA, pretty much you can see it on here through your trade history, and click yours and it will show your amount on here. Congratulations on buying your ADA coins. Now if you want to buy other coins such as XRP, then a video to my right will show you how to buy XRP coins, and a video to my left will explain to you in regards to Coinbase hidden fees, which is international transaction fee that the bank charged me. So definitely check that video out to the left. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to me. I'll do more tutorial videos on how to buy other coins as well. So stay tuned. Peace.